Central Machinery, 9-inch benchtop saw, Harbor Freight item. This is my son's, and it's cut way more than any Harbor Freight machine ever should. And it's chewing out the drive belt. And the problem is the alignment. So while it fully engages on this pulley, when it comes to driving the bandsaw, it's only just barely on there. I think you could shim this one out, but I've broken off everything I've tried to get this pulley loose with. Oh, maybe some heat or something, but for the moment I'm just going to flip this belt over and let him, he's chewed off one side. I'll let him chew off the other side. That'll get it going. I think the kid just needs a bigger, better saw. Does anybody have a recommendation on a 9 or a 10-inch saw? I've been thinking about getting and rebuilding an old one with him. Oh, where'd I put here's the drive. Yeah. So it's those two. Don't quite line up. This isn't far enough back. This isn't far enough forward. I can't move the motor forward. I can't get this off in order to shim behind it. And I don't want to shim. This is plastic here. I don't want to shim behind that. So I think she's done. I've already had to replace, well, I didn't have to. I did. All of their crappy guide rollers, I replaced them with actual roller bearings, and that helped tremendously. But yeah, if you have recommendations, and I'm even talking like older vintage tools, do you ever have a 9 or a 10-inch benchtop bandsaw that you just loved? That would be a good starting point. And I don't really care about necessarily rebuilding it, but just like a list of machines. Well, I guess that clamp isn't tight. A list of machines that you've used, enjoyed, and loved. And I'll get to looking for Shay, because he's outdone this one, and he's God, it must be balanced bad. Look at that. Yeah, this one just might not be up to his scratch.